it's Skillbite here. It's been just over 3 months since I applied the ceramic waxes to the hood of my truck. Meguiar's on the left, Cerakote on the right. There's a link to the video if you didn't see the how to apply them and the initial comparison. So first, here is a video clip from 1 month after putting them on, so you can see how they actually bead up in the rain. It's been about a month or so. It rained all day yesterday, and here's what we got in the morning. This is the Meguiar side. It's still beading up pretty good. We got the Cerakote side, and it's also beading up pretty good. So as far as the hydrophonic properties, they look pretty equal. I mean, they look like it's the same product. And here we got one at 3 months. We have the Meguiars on this side. Yeah, it's all right. Cerakote on this side. I think it's safe to say that the Cerakote is beading just slightly more. This is the car soap I've been using, Pro Foam soap. It's just plain soap for car pH balance. It does not have anything in it like a wax or anything. So this is a true test of just the ceramic liquid waxes. Oh, and this is the next one that I'm gonna try. Let's get that. Let's take a look at it here. All right, so in the sun, which is not the best, but maybe you'll be able to see the difference. I can clearly see the difference on mine. The Meguiar side, yeah, I mean, it's okay. But the Cerakote side is definitely darker. It's still got more gloss. However, you saw that it's not beading that well after 3 months. So I would say that they both will only last 3 months. And here is in the shade. And you might be able to tell, again, the Cerakote is still darker, has just a little more shine than the Meguiars. So I'd say that these will legitimately last 3 months, no more. They're just not beading enough. The Cerakote just does a better job than the Meguiars. So, I mean, the Meguiars isn't bad. The Cerakote definitely is darker. So, I think that's a better product. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing choice.